So hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Sentinel dVPN today on its Ethereum testnet. So you go to sentinel.co downloads, select your operating system, download the thing, start the client. You have to execute it as administrator. Then it's going to ask you whether you want to use the Sentinel Tendermint testnet or the Ethereum network. Since the Sentinel Tendermint testnet is currently in stage 3, but the client that supports the version 3 testnet is not out yet, on the Alpha 0.13 client you want to select Ethereum. Then you have to enter a key phrase for your wallet that is associated with the Ethereum account. It's checking your credentials. That's going to take a couple of seconds. And then you switch to the testnet. You get your free tokens. I already claimed my free tokens. This should also take only a couple of seconds. Then you can go to the dVPN list and probably best sort by rating. And then just take any server to your liking, hit connect, and boom, you're connected through the VPN. So now you're using this other connection, and this is it. It's that simple. I'm gonna make more videos on the whole Sentinel ecosystem, how to set up nodes, how to run a validator, how all this is going to change in the near future. So if you want to stay up to date about what's going on in Sentinel, I'm also going to do a deep, I already did a shallow tech review of Sentinel explaining how it basically works, and I'm going to do a white paper review where I'm going to explain all the nitty-gritty details to you soon. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, support me, and leave any comments if you have any questions about blockchain. Want any other token reviews? I'm doing those now as well. Since I have 8 years experience in the field, I know my way around blockchain quite good. I'm also a privacy researcher, so I'm building up this channel now, and if you are interested in something, just let me know in the comments and I will do it. I will do the reviews, I will look into it, I will tell you what you need to know. And also drop by on my Twitch stream if you have questions. I'm streaming every day from Monday to Thursday from noon to 4 p.m. CET. So I'm going to disconnect now and say bye-bye to you. Have a good week. Bye-bye.